With me though, I've always stayed old school trucks. We found this truck here, 7 years ago and pulled it home. Still got the 400 Big Cam Cummins in it. Stan Eimers, we're out of Algona, Iowa. Eimers Trucking, LLC. They basically do van hauling. We haul Pioneer seeds. Been doing this since '79, I guess. We found this truck here, 7 years ago. We pulled it home and put a battery in it, and it didn't turn over. So took a 2-year project with the guys that all did it. We stretched the frame 5 feet. Got about a 224-inch wheelbase now on it. Still got the 400 Big Cam Cummins in it.
Is that the engine that came in it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know how many times it's been rebuilt through the years?
This would be the second time that we know of.
Second, okay.
Drivetrain's pretty much that, although we did put a rear clip on, low leaf air ride on, so helped the ride out quite a bit. Did put an air ride addition on to the front axle.
Yeah.
So we got air everywhere on it. And the paint scheme, finally come up with this color. Really happy with it.
Who did the pinstriping on the exterior?
Lady Lines
Okay.
was coming through the area, and she did the pinstriping. And the colors, as far as the cream color, that matches the engine, the old Cummins color. So that's why we picked them colors. Yeah. And then the interior is the same way. Gentleman that did the interior, we stayed with all the designs. As far as the heat embossed on the panels stuff, he stitched it all in there and did a heck of a job on it.
And what kind of transmission's it paired with?
13 speed.
Have you worked it since the rebuild?
No. I've been to 4 truck shows basically with it, and this is the first time it's been a trailer hooked onto it. So
Do you plan to work it at all in the future?
Yeah, there'll be some short runs with it and see how she handles. Yeah. I know it rides better with the trailer on now. That front air ride was a little bit wobbly, but bobtail, and the trailer really helped out.